Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to talk to you about why your lawn almost completely stops growing during winter. Some turf grasses continue to grow through the cold of winter like fescue or ryegrass. For the lucky ones that have a warm season grass like softleaf buffalo, cooch, kikuyu or zoysia, your lawn will require a lot less mowing as it starts to slow down with the cooler weather. Once soil temperatures drop below 14 degrees Celsius, warm season grasses will start to slow down and go into a certain level of dormancy, minimising metabolic activity, which helps a plant to conserve energy. At this time of year, it is especially noticeable as you may have gone from mowing your lawn weekly to every couple of weeks, and for some of us in the more southern states, not mowing at all. Then there are the northern parts of the country which don't experience the seasons to the same extent, as they have wet and dry seasons and the grass tends to grow all year round. If you have a warm season grass, now is a good time to raise the mowing height a little to help the plant retain nutrient and to protect the lawn from any winter stress until spring. A lawn in dormancy will lose some colour, but this is not anything to worry about and is completely common. If you would prefer your lawn stay green, there is a great product you can use called ColourGuard Plus. You may have heard of ColourGuard, an organic pigment that improves the colour of your lawn and helps to protect it from the harsh conditions of winter. But did you know there's a new improved version of ColourGuard now available? Introducing ColourGuard Plus. Simply attach the ready-to-use bottle to your hose, remove the clip and apply to your lawn. You can also use a concentrate mixed in a knapsack or pressure sprayer. ColourGuard Plus will last up to 3 months or up until the next time you mow, where the treated leaf will be removed. This new formula now includes a liquid fertiliser as well. This combination of vital micronutrients with an organically derived pigment will improve both the appearance and the health of your lawn at the same time. The nutrients in this formula provide over 6.7% nitrogen, of which 3.7% is organically derived from other plant material, 6% magnesium, 7.8% sulphur, 4% iron, 2% manganese, 1% zinc and trace amounts of boron and copper. ColourGuard Plus is available in the existing 2 litre ready to use bottle and the 100 ml concentrate.